Imagine being awake for 48 hours, carrying 60 pounds on your back, and still having to sprint up a vertical ridge. Most people think soldiers are just fit. They're wrong. They are metabolic machines. There is a specific, brutal science to how the military shreds body fat while maintaining elite strength. And it has nothing to do with fancy gym equipment or your local HIIT class. Today, we're breaking down the Army method that triggers a fat-burning furnace in your body that lasts for hours after you stop moving. If you want to see your abs by next month, stop scrolling and start listening. Welcome back to the channel. We've all been there, staring at a treadmill screen for 40 minutes, watching that calorie counter crawl upward. It's boring, and frankly, it's inefficient. The military doesn't have time for boring. They need results, fast. In this video, we are diving deep into the tactical fat loss protocol. We'll explore the afterburn effect, the secret of rucking, and a 4-minute circuit used by elite units to strip fat without losing a gram of muscle. Stick around until the end, because I'm giving you a full 30-day boot camp blueprint you can do in your living room. Part 1. The secret of EPOC, the science to understand why Army workouts burn fat like crazy. We have to talk about EPO's CXS post-exercise oxygen consumption. In the civilian world, we call this the afterburn effect. When you do a steady-state jog, you burn calories while you run. The moment you stop, the furnace turns off. But military training utilizes compound fatigue. By combining explosive movements with short recovery periods, you create an oxygen debt. The result? Your body spends the next 24 to 36 hours working overtime just to return to its baseline. You aren't just burning fat during the workout. You're burning fat while you're eating dinner, watching Netflix, and sleeping. Studies on tactical athletes show that this method can increase your resting metabolic rate by up to 15% for nearly 2 days. Pro tip: it's not about how many calories you burn in the 30 minutes of exercise. It's about how many you burn in the 23 hours afterward. Part 2. Rucking, the greatest fat loss tool ever invented if there is one holy grail of military fitness. It's rucking. For the uninitiated, rucking is simply walking with a weighted pack. It sounds too simple to work, right? Wrong. A 200-pound man walking at a brisk pace burns about 150 calories per hour. Put a 40-pound ruck on that same man, and he's now burning 500 to 600 calories per hour. But here's the kicker. Rucking is resistance cardio. Unlike running, which can often lead to muscle catabolism, your body burning muscle for fuel. Rucking builds your posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. It turns a standard walk into a full body strength session. How to start? You don't need military gear. Grab an old backpack, throw in some books or a gallon of water, and go for a 20-minute walk. Your heart rate will stay in that zone to fat-burning sweet spot, but your muscles will feel like they've been through a heavy lifting session. Part 3. The ghost circuit, the actionable workout. Now, let's get to the crazy part. This is a variation of the ACFT Army Combat Fitness Test Prep. We call it the ghost circuit because it leaves your fat cells behind. No equipment. No problem. Perform each of these 4 movements for 60 seconds with 0 rest between them. Do 4 rounds total. It's the standard burpee, the ultimate full-body metabolic destroyer. Rucksack swings or kettlebell, explosive power that targets the core. Mountain climbers keeps the heart rate in the stratosphere. Hand-release push-ups, a military staple that ensures full range of motion and chest engagement. By the time you hit round 3, your glycogen stores are depleted, and your body has no choice but to tap into stored adipose tissue pure fat to keep you moving. Part 4. The mental edge, the why does the Army workout work better than a trendy spin class? Because of the mindset. Military fitness isn't about looking good for a vacation. It's about capability. When you train with a mindset that you are preparing for a mission, your intensity naturally increases. There is a psychological phenomenon where training for purpose leads to higher consistency than training for aesthetics. When you stop obsessing over the scale and start focusing on how many miles you can ruck or how many push-ups you can crush, the fat loss becomes a side effect of your newfound strength. You aren't just losing weight. You are building a harder-to-kill version of yourself. Look, the Army workout isn't easy. It's designed to be hard. But if you're tired of the same old results, it's time to stop training like a tourist and start training like a soldier. Here is your mission. I want you to try the ghost circuit we discussed today just twice this week. Comment "Mission Accepted" below to lock in your commitment. If we get 500 people to comment, I'll release a full, follow-along 20-minute Army fat burn video right here on the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown on tactical nutrition. I'm Fit Beacon, and I'll see you on the front lines. Dismissed.